Hi there, I am Liz with Simply Delicious Baking, and in this video, we're going to make a peanut butter quick bread that is loaded with chocolate chips. Now, as you know, when it comes to sweet flavors, peanut butter and chocolate are a power couple. Yes, and this power couple is what this quick bread is all about. So, let's bake some up. But first, please like and subscribe, and also I am leaving a link below in the description. It's a link to a detailed version of this recipe. Let's bake. For our chocolate chip peanut butter quick bread, we're going to need the following simple ingredients, which I'm sure you probably all have in your cupboards right now. 1 3/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, a 4th teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/3 cup of shortening, 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon crunchy peanut butter. You can use creamy peanut butter also. 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, which have been slightly beaten, 1 1/4 cups mashed ripe bananas, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. You can either use mini or the regular size of chocolate chips. To make this recipe, we are going to start off by greasing a 5x9 loaf pan or spraying it with Baker's Joy baking spray. Then go over and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to sift our flour, our baking powder, our salt, and our baking soda, and we're going to set that aside. We're going to cream our shortening and our peanut butter. We're going to add our granulated sugar, our brown sugar, and our slightly beaten eggs. Mix those in well. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients alternately with our mashed bananas. Okay, excuse me, I need to interrupt this video right here, and I need to let you know that when you are mixing your dry ingredients into the batter, do not overmix. This can cause your quick bread to be tough, and that just does not sound too tasty. So, when you're putting in your dry ingredients and your bananas, put down the mixer, grab a spatula, and fold those in with a spatula until they are just incorporated. Now, back to our video. Then we're going to fold in our chocolate chips. Sorry, I need to interrupt this video one more time and tell you, if you're using regular sized chocolate chips, please toss them in a tablespoon or 2 of flour before you add them to the batter. This will keep your chocolate chips from sinking to the bottom of the pan while it's baking. Now, if you're using mini chocolate chips, you're fine. They weigh less, they're smaller, they're not going to sink. Now, back to the video. Next, pour your batter into your loaf pan, and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. Remove your chocolate chip peanut butter quick bread from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes, and then release. Y'all, have mercy. This is absolutely delicious. Has a great soft and moist texture also. I really hope you'll enjoy it as much as I've enjoyed all the slices of it I have been eating. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment below and let me know some of your favorite flavor power couples. Happy baking, and peace, love, and peanut butter.